Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your comment history on TikTok. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Enter into your TikTok application, then go to your profile section. Now from the top right corner, click on a three-line button. Now you can see there are three options. Click on the settings and privacy from the last place. Now still you can see there are too many options, but at the section of content and display you can see a button comment and watch history here. You have to tap on that comment and watch history button. Now again you have to click on comment history. That will show you all the comments that you have written on TikTok. Tap on that particular comment, then your comment will be shown. Then tap and hold that particular comment, and at the fourth place you can see a delete button. Click on the delete button and the comment has been deleted. Like that you can delete all of your comment. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.